Okay, so paano i-update yung Kabal mobile if you're playing outside on Philippine and yeah, let's just started. So if you're like playing outside on Philippine Nax player, so you're playing on emulator or something like that, like this. So paano nyo ma-update yung Kabal mobile sa Nax player nyo? Because wala tayong access sa Google Store. So, nakalagay yun, di ba, update on Google Store, something like that. Hindi natin ma-update kasi hindi tayo naka naka-live sa Philippine. So, hindi nyo to ma-update. So, this item isn't available in your country kahit naka VPN tayo. So, paano natin i-update to is i-uninstall yung game. Okay, uninstall natin yung game, tapos kukuha tayo ng APK file, i-reinstall natin para i-update kapag in-install yung app. So, ganun lang, ayun lang yung paraan para ma-update. Okay, so kapag mabagal internet, no, every maintenance sila, kailangan yung i-install yung game every time. So i-install natin yung Kabal again. So this one, click this, nakikita nyo to, APK file. Na-download na natin yung APK file sa site na to. So apkpure.com, punta ka dyan, kunin nyo yung Kabal Mobile Heroes of Navarrete and i-download natin sa Nax player natin. So sa mga beginners na ano ibig sabihin yung Nax player, ito yung ginagamit na emulator para sa Android. So i-click nyo yung APK file. So i-install niya yung, after na select, i-install na. So hindi automatic kapag nag-ano ka sa Nax player kasi na outside player kayo sa Philippine, di ba? Hindi kayo natira dyan. I-click nyo yan,
Play Park.
i-update. So ayun lang yung paraan para ma-update. So every time nag-update yung Kabal Mobile, wala mag-update kayo. So okay. So every time you see this 1.4 GB this game, ayun yung paraan para ma-update. So ayun, there's nothing you can do about that. So